Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shardemarie. If you are new here, welcome. And from the title of the video, you already know what we're doing. Today, we're doing our June Boxycharm unboxing. And as you can tell, I don't have anything on as of yet except for the brows because I can't start no video off without my brows on. But if you guys want to see what I got in my box this month, then continue to keep watching. Alright guys, so let's hop into the box. So I don't have foundation on. It's not a foundation in here, but there is a skin product that I want to test out. So the theme of the box is called Dare to Dazzle. And the product that I'm talking about is from Skin Inc. It's the My Daily Dose of Glow, Illuminate, and Brighten. This was the product that I chose to be in my box for this month. And you're supposed to use it 3 times daily before you apply your moisturizer. So yeah, I'm gonna test this out on camera for you guys. And this retails for $65. That is a lot, little mama. So this is what the product looks like. Is it going to show? This is what the product looks like. It has like all these little beads and stuff in it. And it's a cocktail of chlorella, vitamin A, and hyaluronic acid in encapsulated serums from Japan. So it said do 3 drops. So 1, 2, and 3. It don't have a smell, so that's good for those who are sensitive to smells. I don't smell anything. And you can use this day or night. Okay. So do I look brightened? I don't know. Do I look brightened to you guys? Because I feel like my skin still looks the same. So now we're going to apply our moisturizer. For the moisturizer of choice today is the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is good for us dry skin girls. This is the newest product in my skincare routine. And don't mind these damn bumps on my cheek. For some reason, I keep breaking out in the same damn spot. But that's alright because your girl's birthday is coming up. And I'm treating myself to a much needed facial. Okay. So now that we got the skincare products out of the way, I'm going to do my face off camera and then we'll be back to test out the rest of the items in the box. Okay guys, so the face is basically done. However, I do want to try this brow product. So the next product that I'm going to try out is from Brow Bar by Rima. It is the Brow Lights Camera Action Duo Brow Highlighter Pencil. And this is in the shade Light. They do have a medium and a dark. I probably, if I like it, would get a medium for my skin tone. But I'm going to try the light. So it is dual-sided. You have one side that is shimmery. And then you have the other side that is matte. You can also conceal with this apparently. So that's exactly what I'm going to do, is like conceal underneath of my eyebrows. Just so my eyebrows can be a little bit more precise. Okay, so yeah, this shade is definitely way too light for me. And because of my nails, I can't really get up in there. But if your nails is not as long as mine, you're probably able to blend it out better. Okay. And then I'm going to take the shimmer side and I'm actually going to run this on my nose. Apparently you can use it as a highlighter too for your face. Okay, they gave me a cute little subtle highlight. And maybe we'll use it later for in the corners. You can also use it for your cupid's bow, to highlight your eyebrows, which I'll do that later. Okay. And the Brow Bar by Rima Duo Brow Highlighter is $16. So before we hop into the eyes, because the last two things, one is an eye product and another is a skincare product that you will use at night. So actually, let me show you guys that. So this is the Ace Allergy Overnight Lip Mask. This is what this looks like, and this is $19. Again, it's a lip mask, so you'll use this at night. It says apply generous amount to lips prior to sleeping. Upon awakening, wipe with damp cotton pad to remove. It can use weekly or when you need a quick fix. So unfortunately, I will not be using this in today's video, but I will be testing it out tonight, and I'll give you guys updates later on how I feel about that. This product is another lip product, but it's a plumping lip serum. Well, it says it's a plumping lip and eye serum. It's from True and Luscious. It is infused with hyaluronic acid, orchid flower water, and passion fruit extracts. And this retails for $34. Now, I don't do plumping products because my lips is already big, so I really don't need anything to plump my, my lips or whatever. But this packaging is what got me. It looks like a syringe, and it has like the little top right here, and I guess you just push this up. So it's a lip again and an eye serum. So what you would do is, according to the directions, it says massage a thin layer all over your lips and outer contours of your eyes. But because we already got makeup on, I don't plan on doing that. So let me see, how does this, whoop, whoop. I think I broke it. So how does this work? Okay guys, so I figured it out. So down here, you can take this out. So you'll push it into, I don't know if it's going to show. There's a little thing in here where you push it in there to lock it, and then you'll move it to the next spot on the other side to get the product out. I understand now. Understandable. So I did get a little bit out, so I'm just going to rub it on my lips. Okay, so these are my lips right now before the plumping. So let's just see how big they can get, because like I said, I already got big lips, so I don't need them to get any bigger. But I like the whole concept of it now that I learned how to work the whole product. So last but not least in the box is an eyeshadow palette from OPB Beauty London, which I looked it up because I looked in the box beforehand, and this is a black owned brand, so I'm excited about that. And this retails for $40. This is what the palette looks like. So it's a lot of neutrals, some brights in there. So I feel like this is a good palette too. You can travel with this palette if you want to do like a smoky eye, or if you want to do a colorful eye. But I'm going to go the the neutral eye route today. You know, maybe pop a little bit of orange in there. I mean, I'm wearing the yellow shirt, but I just think it will fit. So I can't tell you exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to test out some of these paints, and we'll just see what in the world I come up with. Okay, so this is one eye done. So my thoughts so far on this palette for the 4 ones that I use. The black shade, which is called Exposure, as you guys can see, it has a lot of what is it called? Pickup. So just be careful with that. The other color that I used was called Public Eye. It doesn't have as much pickup, but it has it. I used the color Exhibit for the little shimmer shade. It's cute, but if you want that pop, then you need to wet it. But I'm going to just leave it the way it is. So I like it. It just needs that little bit of help if you want a little more. And you also could use your fingers, but again, because of my nails, I can't do that. And then the other color that I used was called Glimmer, which is this orange matte color right here. So yeah, that one doesn't have any pickup at all. So, you know, it's a variance of which colors are more vibrant than others. But all in all, I think the eye came out super cute. It's a lot with the black, I will say that. But, you know, you just gotta diffuse it. So that's why I just use a big fluffy brush just to diffuse the black a little bit. So it won't be as harsh. But I knew for sure I wanted to use the black because I don't have a lot of palettes with a black in it. Maybe like 1 or 2, but not that many. So yeah, I'm going to do the other eye off camera and we'll be back. And just to give you guys an update, my lips aren't tingling or anything like that. They still look like it's normal size. So yeah, this is a product I'm going to have to keep on, sorry guys, I'm going to have to keep on using to see like what is the benefits of what it's supposed to do. It doesn't say that it's supposed to give you like a tingly feeling or nothing like that, but yeah, so let me do this eye off camera and then we'll be back to wrap up this video. Okay folks, so this is the end of this video. This is the face from using majority of these products. So I think my face came out super nice. Definitely the eyeshadow. These lashes though. These lashes were a pain and a half to put on. But they on. I'm not touching them. They on. But yeah, so this is the face using, again, half majority of these products. So let's add up everything to see how much everything costs. So this month's box was $174, and you get full size products, some very good high-end products only for $25 a month. You can't beat that. Unfortunately, I don't have a favorite in this month's box. Every month I usually have something that, you know, I'm like, okay, I can deal with this, I can do that. You know, it's something that I might, you know, repurchase with my own money. But I don't know. There's nothing in here that's like giving me what I need, or, you know, like, oh yeah, baby, this is it, this is it. So yeah, unfortunately, this is a okay box. It wasn't the best box. It wasn't the worst box. I still think so far April was the worst box that Boxycharm ever sent out. But I do enjoy this box. Some of these products also I'm going to have to keep using. I really feel like my favorite thing down the line is going to be that lip mask, because baby, your girl lips be super dry. Even with me scrubbing them and putting a lip balm on them, they still be dry. So I think that's going to be probably my favorite down the line when I constantly use it. But yeah, also that plumping lip and eye serum, that it did nothing for my lips. My lips still look the same in my opinion. So yeah, I don't know if it's supposed to really plump or it's just a serum. I'm not really sure. So that was probably my least favorite, because I'm thinking when I hear plumping that my lips are going to get plump, and I didn't feel anything. I didn't see a difference in my lips. Like I said, my lips are already big, so I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but no. So yeah, as far as the eyeshadow palette goes, like I said, it's nice. It's the shimmers, there's only 2 shimmers in here. The rest are, actually there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. There's 11 shimmers in here. Maybe the other colors are more vibrant, like maybe this purple here. Obviously this blue might be more vibrant, and this blue here without some help. But that one color that I used, Exhibit, it needed some help if you wanted that pop of color to really be the standout. I really don't need the standout color at this moment in time. Maybe if I was like going out, like I'm about to go to dinner at Applebee's, so you know, I don't need it to be super in pow in your face, you know. But yeah, all in all, like I said, I enjoyed my box. Wasn't the worst, wasn't the best, it was just okay. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn on your bell notifications to get notified when I upload my next video. And let me know down in the comments what you got in your box for June. If you got the same thing, if you got something different, is it something that was the standout product in your box, if you feel like everybody needs, let me know. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.